Show! Introducing our host for today, Mr.
Let me explain a little bit. Birds have always interested man throughout human history. People marvel and fly to birds and just reviewing their colors and listening to their call. Today, we'd like to show you birds that we have been working for some time. And to start of it, I'm going to call. Here is the blue and gold macaw, a mango. And ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, please welcome our host, Mr. Ian. We're going to show you something all about the birds' behavior today. All right, America is the river, dancing on raging and walking all the way, pick up, plastic up. What are you going to do? Open the bin and drop inside. Wow, that's great. And the Coca-Cola pen. Yes, and okay, that's one last one is the paper. Yeah, right. As you can do it for you, well done. You got the job, ladies and gentlemen. You know, the birds can do right to the show. Ladies and gentlemen, from coming out one day, and followed by one knowledge, calling town, and then follow one and gentlemen, don't worry, we have another blue and gold again. Yeah, that's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one is the Ringo the green winged macaw. Yeah, that's how the macaw flies with his green. Yeah. That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our flying macaws. The free fly, we do not flip the wings up here and there. You know, it shows a little bit different. We give our birds credit for their intelligence and let them do what they like, not what men expect them to do. Something we should do to what we call natural behavior. Yes. Wow, Jumbo. Jumbo have a new tail. You know what happened is, usually macaws have a beautiful long tail feathers. It's about letting growing now because they molt every 6 months and you have a beautiful long tail coming out. Shortly will be longer than this. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to turn around and show you. Yeah, thank you. Third finger that he's using to climb up. They're using the big hat in the school time of the bird school. That's a master, Mr. Creasel, yeah. And we have animal pictures, 5 animal pictures with 5 letters, okay? So we have zebra, horse, tiger, snakes, and camel. So today, Jumbo has a test for you. The first test is the animal pictures. So I need you to choose one of the picture, please. Tiger, sorry, tiger, okay, tiger, alright, got it. Well, today, tiger. Correct. And G, correct, the third letter correct. What about the 4th letter? E, that's right, very good. And the final one, Jumbo, don't miss that, okay? Yeah, we got it, well done. Okay, look like so. Yeah. What's the first number you go? 1. The cut for 1, yeah, correct. What about the next one? Careful, think properly, okay? 10, yeah, careful. Wow! Look at it, yes! 9 plus 5, 14, correct! What is the Jumbo? This is Jumbo! I'm a green macaw, well, he's good. Condoa, yeah, right. Landed on your palm ears and getting his feet over the sky, yeah, great. Yeah, and he's going back. Yeah. Well, that's beautiful. A group of sunflower friends of money. He says everything's clear, come down. You can see the sunflower there. A nice photograph will be taken by the photographer, the professional photographer. And please do not forget to collect the photo of the couple birds. They live inside his condominium. Yeah, it's a small house, but inside his big room. You know, they breathe very well here in Cebu Safari. Not only birds, but we also breathe. And the lady with the 20 pesos, go for it! Yeah, what are you going to do? Pick the money! Fly! Thank you very much. You can stand over this side. Come over here. Second volunteer. 5 500 pesos. Put it on the side. Straight. Okay, relax. Don't worry. Don't wait. It's 500 pesos. Hurry up. Time is money. Pick it up the money and buy. Yeah. Thank you very much. Is this nice? Round of applause. And they're gonna do it one more time. At this time, you say 20 pesos. Run your fingers around the money and not the bird. Yeah, good. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Go for the next one. Come on this one. Okay, just get still. Don't grab the bird, just grab the money. All right, ready? Sonny, return the money back to her. Yeah, all the way and put them up. Thank you very much. Well done, bless you. Bye-bye and see you. Well, Mr. Hall has a beautiful bagel. Look at that orange grains a little bit and a blue eye, black teeth. Wow, he loves to eat fruits, variety of fruits, variety of insects too. Here we go. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Walk there. That's good. And guess what? They just toss the fruits right there. Is Miss Richelle with Lonnie, and there is Mr. Dan with Rudy. I'm gonna leave it to them to explain to you what these birds can do for you today. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is a yellow crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow crown Amazon parrot is the most complicated Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. And mimic is the one sound of what we hear every day.
Okay, say hi. Hello. 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 Yeah. Okay, Mr. James, what else you can mimic?
He can mimic the different sounds of animals like a rooster, a cat, and a dog, and also mimic a telephone ringing.
Okay, start. Follow start first. Cutthroat. Cutthroat. Okay. How about cat? Okay. Woody, what is the sound of the dog? Okay. Telephone. Telephone. Good, good.
Now, Rudy, what will you do when you see a pretty girl?
What will you do?
Say what?
Yeah. Okay, Mr. James. Lani and Rudy, you love to sing.
Yes, we love to sing, but before you sing, we need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, let's do the warm-up. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now for the first song. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I. Okay. Now for the second song, let me ask first. Who's celebrating the birthday today? Or this one? Okay, so little boy. Okay, listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Okay, a round of applause for Yellow Crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Okay, sir?
The dog eagle hunter. Yeah, wow, look at that. Well, if it's a live prey, that's the end of the live. You're going to steal and grab the lure. So now, how are we going to take this bird on his face over there, this guy, and have a reward system to call on his face? And yes, he finally got it all the way. And you're going to be very careful holding the jazzers. The jazzers is the one who was safety for the trainers to handle. Without this, it's very difficult to handle and control. This is the jazzer that you use to handle them, and then the glove, especially the glove. Otherwise, you'll grab your and get very nasty, sharp challenge. Well, there you have it, our Hawk Eagle Hunter. And let it on the road. That's a surprise for you, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the one who's sitting animal is flying, you don't feel the flying because he comes silent. Okay? That's how he's very effective at hunting at night. Total darkness of the night, he attacks his prey. Yeah, these diets are rodents. The rodent makes a large part of it. Oh, Marino, here he is! Let me have a flap of wings. Plant it on, Mr. Iron Glove. Now you have to what? Let us go, Marina. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to Langdon Render from Australia. Our mother comes to Jack. Go make love. And to make it more fantastic. Peace! Prosperity and harmony! Our group of freedom! Well, folks, before we end the show, I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce our staff trainers here. We have Mr. Iron on the stage with the background singer Marina. And we have backstage here